Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for k from this given equation 4 raised to power k divided by k is equal to 4. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. If you look at this problem, this is tricky, very, very tricky, but we are going to solve it in an easy way. Please, I want you to follow the step-by-step method. Then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, we have 4 raised to power k divided by k is equal to 4. Now, if you cross multiply, so this is 4 raised to power k is equal to 4k. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 4 raised to power k. So we have 4 raised to power k divided by 4 raised to power k. This is equal to 4k divided by 4 raised to power k. This cancel this 1. This is the same thing as 4k divided by 4 raised to power k is equal to 1. Take note of this, that if you have 1 over a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power minus n. If you have 1 over a raised to power x, this is equal to a raised to power minus x. So this can be written as 4k multiplied by 4 raised to power minus k is equal to 1. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 4. So this will be 4k divided by 4. This multiplied by 4 raised to power minus k is equal to 1 over 4. This 4 cancel this 4. We have k multiplied by 4 raised to power minus k is equal to 1 over 4. Take note of this, that if you have e raised to power ln of a, this is equal to a. Then if you have a raised to power ln of 4, this is equal to 4. Then this can be written as k multiplied by e ln of 4 raised to power minus k is equal to 1 over 4. Let us multiply the whole of this equation by minus ln of 4. So this can be written as minus k ln of 4 e raised to power minus k ln of 4 is equal to minus 1 over 4 multiplied by ln of 4. Now, from Lambert W function, we know that if you have w of a e raised to power a is equal to a. Then from here, if you introduce this, we have w of k ln of 4 e raised to power minus k ln of 4 is equal to w of minus 1 over 4, then ln of 4. This is same thing as minus k ln of 4 is equal to, this is w of minus ln of 4 multiplied by 1 over 4. Now we know that here 1 over 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to power minus 1. So we have minus k ln of 4 is equal to w of minus ln of 4 multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1. So this can be written as we have minus k ln of 4 is equal to the whole of this can be written as w of minus ln of 4 e raised to power ln of 4 raised to power minus 1 minus k ln of 4. This is equal to, this can also be written as w of minus ln of 4, then e raised to power minus ln of 4. And as we know that we set w of a e raised to power a is equal to a, then this is minus k ln of 4 is equal to the whole of this become minus ln of 4. Then this minus cancel this minus. We have k ln of 4 is equal to ln of 4. Let us divide both sides of this equation by ln of 4. So we have k ln of 4 over ln of 4 is equal to ln of 4 over ln of 4. This cancel this and this cancel this 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power k over k is equal to 4. Now, if k is 1, this is 4 raised to power 1 over 1 must be equal to 4. 4 raised to power 1, this is 4 over 1 must be equal to 4. 4 divided by 1, this is 4 is equal to 4, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.